2022 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross at S&S Car Store in East Freedom, Pennsylvania. This Mitsubishi is well equipped with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, push-button start, leather seats, power and heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, navigation, Apple CarPlay, a surround view camera system, dual zone auto climate, Android Auto, a lane departure warning, collision warning, under 25,000 miles. It's under $25,000. Visit sscarstore.com or call 814-317-5204.